Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the sorting feature on your Samsung Galaxy phone's default settings if you want to sort by first or last name first in the listing of your contacts. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on your home screen and you want to select the phone app. Select the three-dotted icon in the top right corner and select the settings button. Underneath general, you want to select where it says display options. Where it says sort by at the top, go ahead and click in that. And you can select first or last name depending on your preference. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.